So we are come back. Let's start second part of 21st December 2021 editorial. Our topic is the Quadrant of Hope on BWF World Badminton Championships. Okay, let's start. Indian men thrived on badminton's big stage and returned with two medals. Coming as it did after some ordinary showings in the Olympic year, the performances of K. Srikanth, Lakshya Sen and H.S. Prenoy in the recent BWF World Badminton Championship provided the proverbial silver lining. The trio ranked between 14 and 19 in the world. Kate crashed into the quarterfinals before young Lakshya claimed the bronze, and Srikanth gave the country its first world silver in men's singles. This heartwarming display lessened the disappointment following defending women's champion PV Sindhu quarter final loss. In fact, the true magnitude and timing of the performance of these men could be understood better than seen against the backdrop of the filled crop of Indian teen talent in the past decade. If no serious talent has emerged in the last decade among the ladies, the recent rise of Lakshya is an exception in the dismissal scenario in men's single. A closer look reveals that India has only one serious pair each in men's double and women's double, but none is mixed doubles. For all the government funding in badminton from the days leading to the 2010 Commonwealth Games, the present scenario fails to inspire confidence. In addition, the fitness concerns of Saina Nehwal and B. Praneeth leave India badminton in a serious quality crunch. Given the background, what Srikanth 28 and Lakshya 20 achieved U- Uleva, Spain was very significant with COVID-related restrictions playing havoc with the training and competition schedules of the players worldwide. It was great to see the Indians getting their act together on the big stage and returning with two medals. Lakshya was indeed a revelation on his way to the semi-final before losing to Srikanth. In fact, he led his senior campaign compatriot in the deciding game, but Srikanth's experience made the decisive difference. Personally, for Srikanth, the silver was worth its weight in gold. Without a significant international title since 2017, the former world number one has fought poor form and fitness for a long time. Once the Indonesian coach Muleo Handoyo, the trainer of former Olympic champion Taufik Hidayat, left India in December 2017 before completing his term as a coach. Srikanth's career graph notch dived the recent confidence building performance and the prospects of Mulyo returning to India to take charge of coaching in the new year should re- rejuvenate Srikanth. Lakshya should be hungry after exceeding expectations and making his presence felt on one of the sport's biggest stages. He needs to pay more attention to his fitness. Pranoy and Praneeth, both 29 and semi-finalists at the 2010 World Junior Championship, are still keen to realize their potential in all the quadrants your holds hope in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Please like this video and subscribe our channel, and I will try my best to provide a content video to provide a better content so that you guys can improve your listening skills as well as communication skills. And I am also trying to improve my day-to-day performance with this paragraph. So no hesitate. So don't be hesitate about what you are speaking or what you are listening. Just be focused and keep trying practicing. Just keep trying practice and more practice. So it will make you uh, a better version of yourself day by day. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will upload next video on 22nd December. Okay, thanks.